left Minneapolis yesterday. We got to a rest stop. I noticed that the batteries in the RV part has two 12-volt batteries that are linked together. They were really low, so I've been troubleshooting all night, and this morning we originally thought it was the boost solenoid that powers or charges the house batteries from the alternator. Anyway, they're charging fine now, but yesterday they were failing, so I'm getting different issues here. But this morning it seems to be more of a battery issue, so we're probably gonna get it diagnosed in Duluth when we get there and see what the issue is, and hopefully we can get it rectified pretty soon so we can get back on the road. Yesterday I was having some issues with my computer, and that's why we had to stay another day in Minneapolis, St. Paul area. Apparently there were some hardware issues with it, one of them being a loose screw on the keyboard was shorting the circuit board. And so every time I pressed on a specific area or a key on the keyboard, it just shuts down. So I'm glad that the computer repair company nearby was able to find that and fix it. They also found that the BIOS or CMOS battery was bad, so they replaced that. All in all, it was a good experience over there, but $250 later for repairs. But I'm just glad I don't have to buy a new computer, which costs way more than that. So we're here waiting, we're checking in.
We don't have any other spots available. We're number 13 on the other side of this hotel.
13? Okay. Alright, so we're checking in our site. See you guys. Duluth, Minnesota. We are staying at the Lakehead campground. It's actually a boat dock, so there's a bunch of boats out here, sailboats mostly, and then there are two rows of RVs. There's one over here and then another one that's perpendicular right next to that hotel there, where the building is. But you have this beautiful view of the water out here. We're gonna be walking on this jetty, check out what's at the end so we can get closer to the bridge. Right, Jeff?
Sure.
Sun's bright. Why?
I don't know. I like
Because you're a pirate?
Yes. I like sailboats.
Oh. Why do you like sailboats? Have you ever been on one?
No, they look cool.
Okay, that's it?
Yes.
Alright, well, you're going to see some big boats tomorrow.
No. Sailboats?
Yeah.
Can we rent one?
Maybe. We'll see. Look at the wake behind you. So Mao cooked some ham, some veggies, and some mashed potatoes. So we're just hanging out over here, having dinner. We're gonna watch the sunset. We're gonna walk over there where Duluth is by the bridge. So we're in Duluth, but we're on the other side of the bridge. They're having a festival over there, a blues festival. That's why we're playing some blues music right now. Thank you, Caroline. All right, let's have dinner. Catch you guys later. Walking over to the lighthouse right now. One of the lighthouses, there's another one over there, and there's one by the bridge too.
Papa went to the lighthouse while me and Caroline found this beach with gots. And
we got these ones.
Which one's your favorite?
I think my favorites are this one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
One favorite. Which one?
If it doesn't have to be in a got, I would choose this.
I choose this.
Very nice.
If it had to be in a got, I would choose this.
If it didn't have to be a got, but which I don't know if this was a got, it'll be this one.
That looks like a regular rock.
No, it isn't. It's smooth.
Right.
It's a restaurant.
So there's a tower here of padlocks, just like the one in Paris. There's a bridge in Paris with a bunch of locks on it.
Oh my gosh, why is this so heavy?
It's metal.
Alright.
And then years later, come back and unlock it.
And then lock all the other ones. girls are making pancakes for breakfast. Coffee's already brewed. What are you making? Chocolate chip pancakes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy didn't want chocolate.
Oh.
So these ones are hers.
Got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I will be